Yeah, beautiful people, it's your girl Shantana Redmond and welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and as y'all can see by the title of today's video, I will be doing the Fall Vibes unboxing video from Influenster. So if you want to see what's in my box, make sure y'all stay tuned to see what I have received from Influenster. If you are new here and you haven't gotten a chance to subscribe, make sure you hit that red button, turn on the post notification bell so the moment I upload you'll be the first to see. And also, if you haven't checked out any of my unboxing video, I will be leaving a playlist somewhere up here for y'all to go and check out and how to sign up to get your Influencer box. So make sure y'all stay tuned.
Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot. Beautiful morning, yeah, the sun in my morning, babe. Nothing in the water.
My third package that I have received from Influencer. Yes guys, so you have to check out the playlist that I will be inserting somewhere up here so y'all to see how I sign up or how you go about signing up to get free products. These products are actually free. I did not pay any money on it. So if it's the first time you're dropping by in this video, check the playlist that I will be inserting up here. I also will be leaving it in my description section, so you can also click the link to see how you go about signing up for it. So this is the package that I've received all my goodies in. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull the box and then show you what's in it. This is how the packages look, guys. It's a green box and it said just for you, which is for me. So if you're interested in how to sign up for it, you definitely have to go ahead and check the playlist that I'll be inserting up here to see how you can sign up to get free products from Influencer. So this is how the box look. I already went ahead and removed the tape from it. It always have a unique way as to how the box and the packaging is always on point, guys. Like, they take pride in packaging in their box. Look how this box is, like, you know, have a cute little look to it. So these are the stuff that I have received. So let me give you a focus. Yeah, pretty much. So I'm gonna take them out one at a time and show you what I've received in my goodie box. So this is like a little pamphlet. They normally like tell you what is in the package. So these are the 3 stuff that I will be reviewing. So for this product, it's the Bliss Clear Genius Clarifying Toner and Serum. So I'm going to show you what the packaging look like. This is how it come packaging. They always prepare their stuff neatly and always to secure the content in whatever that they're sending. So big shout out to Influencer on that. So this is how the product actually look. Let me try to get it focused. So it's the Bliss Clear Genius Clarifying Toner and Serum. So this one is more likely a face product. It says here on the instruction, this is a clinical proven game-changing treatment, combines the benefits of a toner and a serum to purify the pores, tone skin, and deliver concentrate ingredients for ultimate skin clarity without over drying your face. So some products normally have stuff that will let your face dry so quickly. So for this one, it helps to reduce the dryness of your face. Yes guys, and look how cute the packaging, like, look on it guys. Like, this is dope, yo. Like, you can't imagine you buy something and normally you can easily pull it and pour it out. For this one, they actually put something here on it. Let me try pull it from this side. This is how it actually looks. It smells really nice. Let me take the thickness of it. This is how it looks. It's really watery. It have the feeling like you like a hand sanitizer. That's the texture, that soft feeling when you rub it together. So I definitely will be trying out these products to tell you exactly how they go for my skin. The next one that I have here on my product is the peach slices. So this one is basically a acne spot dots, and it's a fast acting patches. It's free from drug and non-drying absorbed secretion for fast healing. So for this one, it's the advantage for the skin is that help blemishes disappear quickly and effectively. It acts like a protective cover over the treated area. So it helps with moisture and tint, and it also is a 100% natural source ingredients as well. So that's the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned, for watching from the start to the end. If you did that, big thumbs up to you. Yay! So as I said, if you haven't gotten a chance to find out how you go about signing up for Influencer, my playlist will be leave it up here in the suggestion link or down in my description box, where you can go about signing up for the Influencer. And as I said, it's free. If you want to join the fam, all you need to do is go and sign up for your Influencer account and start right away. As simple as 1 2 3. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and if you haven't gotten a chance to subscribe, make sure you subscribe before you leave it here. Turn on the post notification bell so the moment I upload, you'll be the first to see, and also to tell a friend to come by and subscribe to your girl channel. Bye guys.